Windows 11 has been out for almost 3 months now, and Microsoft has remained strict on which computers it allows Windows 11 to run on. They have also warned of those systems not receiving software updates, but hasn't gone through with their warning, and those systems are actually receiving updates just fine. So what if you're running a PC that doesn't have a supported CPU and missing a TPM and barely has enough graphics horsepower to run Notepad? Here's how to do it. Let's go to the Microsoft website and download the media creation tool for Windows 11. Then you will need a flash drive where you can load up Windows 11. Once you have the media creation tool load, open it and select USB and select your flash drive, and it will create Windows 11 bootable USB. Now, depending on your PC, and by the way, this is for performing a clean install of Windows 11 instead of slapping it on top of Windows 10, which is not great in my opinion. Find the boot menu key of your PC by Googling it. Some of the common ones are F8, F11 and F12. In my case it's F12, so I'm going to go with that. Now select the USB for boot, and that will land you to Windows Setup. Select the setup language and hit install. Now comes the fun part. Press Shift F10 and that will launch the command prompt. Now type in regedit, which will open the registry editor in Windows Setup. Now add the following keys. Locate HKEY local machine system setup, then right click the setup folder and create a new key called LabConfig. Inside the newly created folder, right click and create a dword value named BypassTPMCheck. You can do the same again, and this time BypassSecureBootCheck. Now double click both of these one by one and set their values from 0 to 1. And bam, Windows 11 on even a 10-year-old i3, or in this case a 9th gen i5 but GeForce 210. If this seems too complicated for you to do, this is so that if you already have a Windows 11 USB ready to go and you need to make these few changes, but what if you're just getting started? There is a much easier way by using Rufus. Download the ISO from Microsoft and download Rufus from the link in the description below. Open Rufus and it will look something like this. Now click on select Windows 11, then we just download and select the image. We have a drop down here called Extended Windows 11 ISO, TPM and Secure Boot. Just select that and that will pre-apply the registry hack that we did earlier. Then if your PC is really old, like more than 12 to 13 years old, you can click on the partition scheme to set it to MBR. Verify all the settings and click start. It goes without saying it will delete everything on your USB flash drive, so back up everything that is important on there before you click OK. Then find your boot key and install as normal like you would with a Windows 10 install. Alright, that's how you install Windows 11 on any computer in 2022 with unsupported CPUs or missing hardware that is required to run it. Let me know down in the comments below. Have you installed Windows 11 or are you still on Windows 10 contemplating an upgrade? Anyway guys, smash that like button if you learned something new. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell if you want to watch more content like this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.